the multi-purpose tool that comes with the Pfaff Creative Icon is just that. It has a lot of purposes. So we've done a couple videos already, one on how to sew on buttons, and if you need that little extra shank of thread, if you've ever had to hold a toothpick or a pin so the stitching wasn't stitching the button so flat against the fabric, you needed some extra give for something to button to that button, you can set it like this, then do the stitching, and it will separate and leave you that extra little gap you need. Next, you can also use it to go up and over very thick seams. So if you've ever heard of a Gina-majig or a hump jumper, this is what it's all about. As you come across a seam, you can get the foot so it levels out as you approach it. And then also when you come off of a seam, you can set the foot down. So again, everything stays level. And it's all about leveling out the presser foot when it's going over a very thick area, so that's good. But it also has your thinner side and a thicker side. So if this is much thicker, then of course you can use the thicker side or the thinner side as needed. Last thing it has is that little hole in the top corner. So you notice it's even shaped like a D. It's not a circle, it's got a flat side on the back. So when I am taking my needle in and out, it is my catcher when I release the needle by loosening the screw, and it's my way of also helping the needle get all the way up to its highest position. And look where my hands are. They're outside the machine, not trying to get it underneath. And so if you have any trouble getting needles in and out, you should be using your multi-purpose tool to be that helpful guide to get it just right.